Is this the future of hair dryers? Traditionally, I only use one temperature, 2 max if I include cold shots, but this Dyson Supersonic Nural hair dryer blows my mind with its intelligent scalp protect mode. When you turn it on, it can sense the distance between itself and your scalp and adjust the temperature accordingly to protect your scalp and hair health with no heat damage. The hair dryer is so intelligent, I'm convinced that it's smarter than me. It remembers all my go-to styling preferences and really makes the whole hair drying process easier for me. And I've seen this attachment all over social media and I finally got to try it. It definitely does not disappoint and I feel like it makes my hair look so shiny.